Hi, so we're looking at the A96 front camera. This is a 16 megapixel front camera, and it only can shoot the video at 1080p. So we'll walk around and see how does it look like on the stabilization. And look, this is through the dark area. You can see this is dark. There's no lighting here. You can see how it looks like. Let's go to somewhere where it's brighter. Then this is lighting, and you can see how the stabilization looks like. And I'll switch it to horizontal. This is vertical now. Let's switch it to horizontal. So this is in horizontal mode, and you can see how the stabilization looks like on the front camera. If you're holding it with one hand, right, and then this is in the low light. Seems to be having a bit of flickering, and there's no light here. It's a bit dark here, so you can see the low light test. You can see there's no light on top, and then there's the bright light here. It looks better. And we shall switch to the front camera, which is the main camera. It's 50 megapixel, but it's not shooting at 50. You have to switch it to high res to get that, and we'll see that on the front camera. So now again we're on the main camera. This is the main camera, and 1080p and 1x, so you can zoom out, right? There's only 1x zoom, and then you can zoom in. Well, it's going to be noisy. It's like 1.6x and 1x max. So there's no wide, there's only one wide. You get the rest is zoom. It is digital zoom, and you can go up to 10 times. Not that you want to use that, and then you go back out to 1x zoom. So this is how it looks like in vertical if you're holding it, and how the stabilization will look like. And then now I switch it back to horizontal. This is horizontal view, and this is how it looks like. So I'm going to flip it over. Hopefully you'll be able to see my face. I can't tell because there's no second screen behind, and this is the low light. And how does it look like in the low light? And my hand is shaking because it's only one hand, and that's how it looks like on the lighting. And this is how the audio sounds like, right? So we'll do some few shots on that and test out the 50 megapixel as well. Hi everyone, Richard here. So you've seen my unboxing. If not, I'll just leave a link to it. And this is the OPPO A96, just launched. This is the 256GB model with 8GB of RAM. And with the RAM expansion function, that means you can extend another 5GB of RAM from the storage, the 256 storage, to the 8GB as well. So you have a boost there, but bear in mind the storage must not be full, then you can make use of it. So I've set this up for some reviews on the benchmark, and so we will run some benchmark. But let's look at the screen. The screen is in 90 Hz. Punch hole display, which is the 16 megapixels right on top. I like this screen. The black is very black, and the images, the graphics is like sitting on top of the glass. It doesn't feel like it's sunken in. And it has a 90 hertz adaptive refresh rate. So, and there's a very good AI function that is for eye comfort. They added it in, so that means it will adjust accordingly to the lighting condition and how long you're looking at it. So what is interesting is it also states that it's 96% NTSC white color gamut. So means the colors are quite punchy. We're talking about this 33 watt super volt charging, very fast proprietary charging from OPPO. And we have the 5000 milliamp hour battery. That's huge, but it doesn't waste too much on this. And we have the night charging. I've tested it out. With the night charging is interesting because you plug it in, it detects that it's night and you're gonna go to sleep. So it does not do the quick charge as in daytime. It trickle charge so that you don't overcharge. Just say you go to sleep, you normally wake up the next morning, but your phone has been in the charger for many hours, at least about 8 hours. If you sleep 8 hours, it trickle charge for the night. So it helps protect the battery in that way, rather than you just quick charge for 1 hour and the rest of 7 hours is like still trying to charge. That's not very good for the battery. So you have dual speakers, top and bottom. We'll test out the audio, and dual microphone also, top and bottom. So let's look at the CPU. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 2.4 GHz. In the unboxing I did say 680, but the actual specs is 665. And this has a Adreno 610 for the GPU. So there you go. The OPPO A96 has a single core of 385 and a multi-core of 1653. So while it's downloading all the benchmark applications, you see, let's look at the phone itself, because this is a IPX5X dust resistance phone, and is also a IPX4, right? So IPX4 for water resistance and IPX5 for dust resistance, and it has a pressure resistance. It's quite a tough phone. 15 kilograms. Okay, look at it. It's a thumb scan. I've registered my thumb, and it's really fast, right? So not only does it have a thumb scan, it also have a facial recognition. So I better on it with another finger. So okay, that's it. When it looks at my face, you can see it's straight away open. So you have thumb. This finger is not registered, but this is. So you have facial recognition and thumb recognition, which is very fast, you see. So, and okay, quite fast. That's also the screenshot, right? So, and also I've set the camera to take picture with the thumb here. So while we're waiting for the downloads for the benchmark, so back again, that's the 50 megapixel camera. It is a 1 by 2.7 inch sensor, and it outputs 50 megapixels. So by default, this shoots 12.5 megapixel photos, right? You have to switch it to 50 megapixel if you want it, and it can shoot 20 frames per second. And you have a 2 megapixel depth sensor which is a 1 to 1/5 sensor. It's a very small sensor, but it's meant to pair with the 50 megapixel sensor to give you the bokeh. So, and the front sensor is a 16 megapixel, which is a 1 by 3 inch sensor at f2. Right, Antutu just finished, so it's 278,155, 278,000 for the benchmark for Antutu on the OPPO A96. See how the speaker sounds like. I must say the speaker do sound good because it's running a stereo speaker. You might not hear the stereo because I'm recording in mono, but it does sound full, it doesn't sound teeny. Okay, finally we're going on the boost. Okay, let's boost again. Let's boost again. Okay, looks okay, but the graphics seems to be on the low side. So that's how it looks like if you play back again. Okay, I'll probably die in this game quite fast, so won't be long. It all seems okay on the graphics. Am I supposed to pick this up? Okay, I got the helmet. Wow, that looks ugly. And maybe I'll get a car. Cool. Oh, there's some weapons here. And let's get in the car. Can I drive this car? Oh, it does work. Cool. So I've got a car. And how do I drive that? So it's a car that doesn't work, right? You're kidding me, right? How do I drive this car? Okay. I'm probably on the wrong side there, so let's get in here. Get in the car. Nope. Drive. Okay. So that's the difference. Ouch. Damn. So I guess I'm a bad driver. Ouch. You guys gonna laugh at me, right? So I'm not a good driver. So where's the road? Okay, the road is here. Right, oh, that's the water. Yeah, we have a road. Okay. Oh, I see a better looking car here. Ouch. Let's get out and get in this car. Now that's much better. This is a car that you want to use, right? Where you can go up the mountains, right? And let's go. So not much action except driving around, and where am I going? No idea. So I'm bad at this game. All I know is I should be climbing up some mountains and hiding from people, so I can get my chicken award, right? So there it goes. Cool. Whoa. Great place to hide, right up the mountain top. Okay, that's all for this quick look at this OPPO A96. I hope you like it, and do check it out, the OPPO A96. And I do hope you give me a thumbs up and subscribe for my next video. And hopefully we'll get more OPPO phones for review, and maybe a longer time, because this is a very short loan unit. And if I have a longer period, I can do the outdoor more photography in terms of video and photography as well. So do give me a thumbs up and see you on the next video. Bye. Have a nice day.